Daydream Education's Maths interactive content packs are a fun and easy way of integrating technology into every lesson. The packs combine a wealth of curriculum-based content and a wide variety of assessment tools to cater for students of all learning styles and abilities. The software is suitable for use on all brands of interactive whiteboards, wireless slates, tablets, e-learning platforms, and is PC and Mac compatible. Our titles have all been aligned to the national curriculum and can be easily used as a standalone resource or as part of existing lesson plans. For this presentation, we will use the Fractions Interactive Content Pack from the Number section. Once a title launches, the first thing you will see is the menu system. The menu enables quick navigation to the key topics and features included in the title. All content packs have an interactive screen section which is packed full of clear and concise curriculum-based content and colourful images to enthuse and engage students. Fun features are challenging game-based activities that test students' knowledge in a stimulating and exciting way. Formats range from drag and drop, matching, fill-in, and race against the clock. The interactive and printable quizzes are comprehensive assessment tools that are great starter or summary activities that can be used as a class activity, in groups, or individually. And finally, the ready-made worksheets are a helpful resource that can be used by students as summary or homework assignment in both printed and on-screen forms. The standardized toolbar at the bottom of the screen includes Settings, Resources, View Demo, and Objectives buttons. The Resources button provides a link to additional resources on Daydream's website, including worksheet and quiz answers, and national curriculum alignment for all titles. To enter one of the interactive screens, select a topic from the Chart section menu. At first glance, you will notice that the chart screens contain colourful images and a clear layout to help engage students. There are also audio clips, animations, and interactivities to help cater for students of all learning styles. When first entering a chart screen, all text and images appear on. However, this can be changed within the Settings section, enabling users to start from a blank canvas and slowly introduce key information to control the pace of the lesson. The text and images can also be removed using the on and off buttons on the toolbar, or by clicking on individual text or images. In this screen, users are able to select shapes and fractions from the drop-down menus to see various examples of fractions in real-life objects. This is a simple yet effective tool that will help students gain a better understanding of the basics of fractions, and is one of many interactivities available across the maths software. As you move through the chart screens, you will notice the extent of the content in the product. There is a natural progression from one screen to the next, making it easy for students to work through the topics. Within each screen, users can edit or add to the content using the pen, highlighter, text box, and eraser tools within the toolbox. This is extremely useful for creating custom presentations, interactive classroom activities, and custom worksheets. For example, to create a fill-in activity, I can click on the image's on-off buttons and get students to label the fraction wall, either on the board using the pen, or using the print screen option to print custom worksheets. Notes can also be added to each screen using the text box tool. This is a great tool that enables teachers to prepare and plan for lessons by adding notes to each screen prior to lessons. When accessing an interactive content pack from the same workstation, users are given the option to restore an existing session, reloading any previous annotations and any quiz, worksheet, or fun feature progress. In addition to the annotation tools, the toolbox contains math-specific tools in the form of a calculator and protractor that can be used at any point whilst within the interactive chart. If we move on two screens, we can see an example of a presentation that provides a fantastic step-by-step guide to ordering fractions. The simple format makes it easy for students to understand and digest the information presented. Within this chart, there are lots of colourful and engaging interactive screens, which is indicative of all of the intuitive, curriculum-rich titles within the software. After you have completed the presentation, you can move on to the next feature. The fun features in the math software are designed to reinforce learning and encourage individual exploration of the key topics highlighted throughout the interactive chart section. These motivational activities are often timed and scored and are presented in a range of different formats such as matching the pairs, fill in the blanks, and find the correct answers. The fun features in this content pack test students' knowledge of equivalent fractions and fraction calculations. In the multi-level equivalent fractions fun feature, the user must match the equivalent fractions that appear on screen before the time runs out. In the fractions calculations fun feature, the user must complete the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division problems that appear on screen. All fun features have been designed to help engage students and encourage learning through competition and fun. Not all fun features follow the same format, so students always have a variety of assessment formats. Moving to the next feature, we have the interactive quizzes. Each interactive content pack contains between 1 and 3 interactive quizzes that are ideal starter or summary activities. The quizzes can be completed individually, in groups or as a class, and like the worksheets, are tailored directly to the content in the chart screens. There are 10 multiple choice questions in each quiz that vary in format to challenge and engage students. Starting with question 1, there is a simple true or false question which can be answered by clicking on one of the buttons. To navigate to the next question, click on the Next button. If the question is answered incorrectly, you can show the correct answer or exit the quiz and go back to the presentation area to find the correct answer. This is a great tool for self-assessment and self-led learning. Once you reach the end of the quiz, you can enter your name and class to view a summary screen that visualizes your results and highlights any common errors. Again, another great self-assessment tool for the students. The results can then be printed out and handed to the teacher. The quizzes are also available in a printable format so that they can be completed by students in writing in the classroom or as a homework assignment. If, like most schools, you are looking to reduce the amount of paper you waste, the printable quizzes can be completed on screen using the tools in the toolbox and then saved. Moving on to another feature in the interactive content packs, you can see that there are multiple worksheets. Each content pack contains a set of ready-made worksheets that are directly related to the content in the presentation area. The worksheets save teachers valuable preparation time and are an ideal assessment tool with a learner-friendly interface. In fractions, there are 3 multiple-page worksheets available, providing hours of assessment material. Like the quizzes, the worksheets can be completed on screen using the tools within the toolbox, reducing the amount of paper used. Students can complete and save the worksheets on their computers and submit their work electronically, as well as being able to print and complete by hand. You've just seen how quick and easy it is to create fun and engaging interactive lessons and assessments using Daydream Education's interactive content packs. We've shown you how to use the content-rich interactive chart screens and accompanying tools to create tailored presentations, use the interactive quizzes and worksheets for great starter and summary activities, use the fun features to create challenging and motivational activities for students. As you can see, our interactive content packs can be used in any classroom without training and are an excellent way of engaging students of all learning types and abilities. We offer a range of over 270 packs across 10 different subjects. The packs can be purchased individually and as full subject suites in both single license and full site license formats. Our software is easy to install, easy to use, and affordable for both classroom and home use. For more information, contact your authorized Daydream Education reseller or visit us online at www.daydreameducation.co.uk.